Good morning, students. Welcome back to Math Classroom once again. I hope all of you have watched the last video. Today I am going to discuss exercise number 10, 11 and 12 of mental math. So look at the book. Already I have done the problem in my copy. Fill in the blanks. Pick prime numbers from 19, 51, 81 and 47. There are 4 numbers. Among these numbers, we have to choose the prime numbers. Prime numbers means those numbers can be divisible by 1 and itself. That's why 19 and 47. Both are 2 numbers can be divisible by 1 and itself. That's why the answer will be 19 and 47. Look at my copy. Next one. Fill in the empty box so that the quotient is a whole number. I mean, in this box, we have to put different sign. It may be plus, minus, multiply or division. After that, when we get the result and after division, the quotient will be whole number. That's why I have done in this way. First of all, I have placed plus between the numbers. 65 plus 7 equal to 72. After that, if we divided 72 by 3, we will get 24 as a quotient. And also it's a whole number. Next, prime factors of 161. So at first we have to find out the factors of 161. Prime factors of 161 are 7 and 23. For what? Because the factors of 161 are 1, 7, 23 and 161. That's why the answer will be 7 and 23. Because these are the 2 numbers can be divisible by 1 and itself. Next. If 10 kilometer is covered in half hour, how long will a journey of 100 kilometer take? I mean, अगर 10 किमी जाने में आधा घंटा लगता है तो 100 किमी जाएंगे तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? It's a unitary method. I hope all of you have done in your previous class. ऐसे करना है. If 10 kilometer is covered in half hour, सो 1 किलोमीटर जाने में कम टाइम लगेगा. अगर 10 किलोमीटर जाने में आधा घंटा लगता है तो 1 किलोमीटर जाने पे कम लगेगा. इसीलिए क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड. उसके बाद अगर 100 किमी जाएंगे तो ऑब्वियसली टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा. ज़्यादा लगने में हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 फॉर व्हाट? बिकॉज इधर देखो 1/2 आई मीन हाफ डिवाइडेड बाई 10. इसका मतलब है 2 ऑलरेडी नीचे है. इसी कारण हम लोग 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड बाई 100 कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? 5 आवर्स. सो अगर 10 किमी जाने में आधा घंटा लगता है तो 100 किमी जाने में 5 आवर्स लगेगा. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर्स आर देयर इन 8.1/4 meters? At first we turn into mixed fraction into improper fraction. So look at my copy. 8.1/4 meter equal to 33/4 meter. So in this way, all of you know 1 meter equal to 100 semi. So 33/4 meter equal to, I say 33 by multiplied by 100 semi. So answer will be 825 semi. Next, number 6. The absolute value of minus 60. Minus plus, both are the axis place. But in case of that, when we find out the absolute value, then the absolute value is the same. That's why the absolute value of minus 60 is 60. Next, find the value of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So answer will be 420. Next. Number 8. 3 by 4 of a score equal to how many units? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of its score. मतलब 1 score equal to 20. So of means multiply. I mean 3 by of a score 20. That's why 3 by 4 multiply by 20. So answer will be 15 units. Next, last one, factors of 60. The factors of 60s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 16. And last problem is there. Half dozen plus 2 score equal to how many units? First of all, 1 dozen equal to 12. So half dozen means 6. Same way, 1 score equal to 20. 2 score equal to 40. So answer will be 6 plus 4, 40. So answer will be 46 units. Next, exercise 6. Find out the prime factors. So when we will find out the prime factors, at first we have to find out the factors of the particular number. That's why I have done in this way. The factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. But in case of prime factors are 2, 1, 3 only. Because 1 and 6, these two digits are factors of 6. But in case of prime factors, answer will be 2 and 3. Next, the prime factor of 10. That's why I have find out factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. And its prime factors are 2 by 2 and 5. Next, the prime factors of 15. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. And the prime factors are 3 and 5. Next, the prime factors of 20. So at first we have to find out the factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So the prime factors are 2 and 5. Next, the factors of 14. 1, 2, 7, 10. So answer will be 2 and 7. Next, the factors of 22. 1, 2, 11, 22. So the prime factors are 2 and 11. The prime factors of 35. At first we have to find out the factors 1, 5, 7, 35. So answer will be 5 and 7. Same way, the factors are 1, 5, 13, 65. Same way, the prime factors of 65s are 5 and 13. Next, the factors of 48. The factors of 48s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. So the prime factors of 48 are 2 and 3 only. Next, the prime factors of 45. The prime factors of 45. So normally factors are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. And the prime factors of 45 are 3 and 5 only. Next, exercise 12. Same problem. Find out the prime factors of 25. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25 and answer will be 5 only. In case of the prime factors of 27, the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27 and the prime factor is only 3. Same way the factors of 50. 1, 2, 5, 10 and 50. So in this way the prime factors of 50 are 2 and 5. The factors of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And the prime factors of 32s are only 2. The factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 36. Our prime factors are 2 and 3 only. Same way, the prime factors of 51. Normally, the factors of 51 are 1, 3, 17 and 51. And the prime factors are 3 and 17. Next, the factors of 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. So the prime factors of 60s are 2, 3, 5 only. Next, the prime factors of 44. At first, the factor of 44s are 1, 2, 4, 11, 22, 44. So the prime factors of 44 are 2 and 11. Next, the prime factors of 63. In case of 63, the factors are 1, 3, 7, 9, 21, 63. And the prime factors of 63 are 3 and 7 only. The last one is the prime factors of 72. So at first, the factor of 72s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. So the prime factors of 72s are 2 and 3 only. So student, I hope all of you have understood how will you solve the prime factors of a particular numbers. So at first you have to choose, you have to write down the total factors and then you will find out the prime factors. So for today, up to this portion.